Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. The question for today is kung paano ka magba-viral. Okay? For my content creators out there, this reading is for you. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. If you need more time, pause the video. And yeah, for paid personal readings, just check the description box below. Diyan nyo po makikita kung saan ako makokontak. Okay? So this is 1, 2, and 3. Let's proceed to number 1. So paano ka ba magba-viral number 1? Okay? Magba-viral ka by gaining confidence to do something na hindi ka magaling gawin. 8 of Cups reverse, this is something na parang alam mo yun, yung parang lalayuan ka ng viewers. Or parang yung tawag nito, parang pang-inis na kind ng content. Halimbawa, hindi ka marunong magluto. O magluto ka ng kahit hindi ka marunong. Yung parang paano ba to? Parang magba-viral ka by showcasing something na out of katangahan. Like yung mga nakakatawa, like hindi ka marunong magkabit ng something, hindi ka marunong mag-assemble ng something. Tapos doon ka magba-viral na parang doon sa pangbabash, pero in a light-hearted kind of way. Yung parang maiinis sa'yo pero matatawa yung viewers mo. Doon ka daw mag-concentrate. Let's say for example, hindi ka marunong sumayaw o mag-aral kang magsayaw. Tapos yung mga nakakatawang moves, yun yung i-post mo. Pero ang tanong, may confidence ka bang ipakita yung sarili mo na may ginagawang nakakahiya? Pero make sure it's of course legal and of course it's harmless. Okay? Wag yung maggagawa ka ng stunts tapos hindi ka professional. Parang wag mong ipahamak yung sarili mo. Okay? Now, what you need to focus on, Knight of Swords reversed, tapos 3 of Wands reversed. So parang yung mga sinasabi sa'yo na hindi mo kayang gawin yan, Knight of Swords reversed, ito yung nangdadaw ng motivation ng iba, nang di-discourage ng mga gusto mong gawin, tapos kinakantsawan ka pa, inaaral mo nga. So, yun yung unahin mo. Yung parang gusto mo talagang gawin, pero hindi mo talaga magawa kasi, yun nga, hindi ka competitive sa larangan na yun. Pero gusto mo talaga siyang aralin. So, kung sintonado ka o kumanta ka, or maybe mag-upload ka ng videos na nagvo-voice lessons ka. Okay? And if you're going to do that, ayun, tiba. 9 of Pentacles. Okay? So, there. That's for you, number 1. Let's proceed kay number 2. So, paano ka magba-viral? Number 2. Magba-viral ka if you're going to showcase something na parang kailangan ng meditation. Pero sagap na sagap mo yung yung attention ng marami. And this is something na very soothing emotionally. So, pwedeng gumawa ka ng mga Christian songs or religious songs or religious content, mga trivia siguro about God or something na hindi alam ng marami about, I don't know, stories sa Bible. Or pwede ring something na, I'm being drawn to the lollipops and the cups. So, pwedeng yung mga kinakain nung sinaunang panahon, nung panahon pa ni Kristo, based sa Bible, ganyan. I don't know, let's say for example, may dinescribe na dish sa Bible. O i-remake mo. Gawa ka ng content na ito yung ingredient sabi sa Bible, tapos ito yung ginawa. Ganito daw, ihahalo daw to sa ganito. Tapos, yun, parang gawin mong content. Pero, aside from that, there's also something about food na maybe, yung lampara sa Hermit card is parang parang yung light bulb moment mo na, yun pala yun. So, maybe you have an idea recently na what if ganito gawin kong klase ng lollipop. I don't know, maybe mochi na lollipop or mochi pero gourmet siya. Like, merong mayo and tuna na nakabalot sa mochi tas gagawing lollipop. 'Di ba? Merong ganun, like katulad ng mga cupcakes pero karne, bacon pala or tapos rice, made out of rice, tapos parang may pork, may pork na nakahalot, tapos yung ano yung design sa yung frosting ng cupcake is actually mayo, tapos bacon pala yung ano yung topping. Yung ganon, yung ine-expect na matamis pero hindi pala, gourmet pala siya, maalat pala siya, savory pala siya. Or there's also something about beverages na ano, maybe hindi pa naiimbento, or like kind ng flavor na hindi pa masyadong popular. Tapos gawan mo ng content. Now focus on page of one's reversed, yung patience mo, kasi parang gusto mo instant merong viewers. So try to be more patient, at saka taasan mo rin yung standards mo. Hindi yung maganda nga yung product na binivideo mo pero yung content, yung videography pangit naman. So parang make sure na kaaya-aya rin yung yung format ng video mo. And if you're going to do that, mapapagastos ka, yes, pero doon ka daw magba-viral. And at the same time, bottom of the deck, Six of Swords, baka mag-travel ka pa because of this, like yung maaanyayahan ka to remake your yung nag-viral na recipe mo, or maybe you will be invited to go somewhere to showcase that beverage or that specific ingredient na maybe sa probinsya nyo lang nakikita, nakukuha, ganyan. So, more on beverages and food. And yung Bible connected na na tawag nito. Ang naisip ko rin yung froth sa coffee. Maybe merong random, maglalagay ka doon ng random na like isusulat mo sa froth yung yung random na Bible chapter and verse. Tapos bala na yung customer kung anong message nun sa Bible sa kanila. Parang ganun. Anyway, that's for you. Number 2. Number 3, paano ka nga ba magba-viral? Ace of Swords, 2 of Cups, and 4 of Swords reversed. May idea ka na kung paano. Nagdadalawang isip ka lang. 4 of Swords in reverse, all you have to do is just do as you were thinking how it's going to be done. May strategy ka na in mind, pero hindi ka, nagdadalawang isip ka. Parang feel mo baka kailangan ng ganitong camera, kailangan ng ganitong budget. No, you can actually do it with whatever you have right now. Kahit phone lang and boses mo lang, kaya mong gawin yun. It's just that parang dinadoubt mo yung sarili mo. I'm hearing ina-underestimate. So parang ina-underestimate mo yung sarili mo daw. Now, what do you need to focus on is yung art na iniwan mo na dati. Pero aminado kang gusto mo pa rin itry. Tapos Hangman, parang dinidelay mo lang eh. Alam mong mahahasa mo siya pero parang tsaka na. So, gawa mo ng paraan to, kasi if you're going to do that, maraming memories na magbabalik na parang mas magbibigay sa'yo ng spark to actually continue doing this. Let's say for example, kumakanta ka naman dati pero hindi na. Let's say for example, bigla kang nagkasakit sa throat, like maybe you've grown some nodes. Parang pwede namang kunin yung nodes, pwede namang operahan, pero maybe you were thinking, gastos lang yan, hindi na lang ako kakanta. What if merong supplement na nakakawala ng nodes? Yun lang ang kailangan mong gawin, tapos may practicein mo lang yung proper na way ng pagkanta. Especially if hanggang ngayon, passion mo pa rin yung pagkanta. So, go ahead and do that. Maraming memories, maraming ideas from your past na parang maiisip mo na, parang ito nga pala yung gusto kong gawin. Or parang nagko-compose nga pala ako ng kanta dati. Bakit hindi ko pinursue yun? Parang ganon. So, there. That's for you, number 3. And again, for paid personal readings, send me a private message. And yeah, that'll be all. Bye!